Good morning, student. This is Shailesh Kumar, and we are on channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. So, student, in this video, our topic of discussion is shortcut of multiplication. Students, here we will multiply the given type, where one number is nearer to 100 and other is also nearer to 100. But there may be difference that one may be less or one may be more, or both may be less or both may be more. It means just like you see 96 and 108. The one number is less than 100 and the other number is more than 100. Here you see 108 and 109. Both are more than 100. Okay. So 95 and 92 both are less than 100. So if you see these type of question, then I will explain you a short trick for this type of multiplication so that you may able to calculate fast in few seconds without going to the main course of multiplication. Students, let us start this type of multiplication with the shortcut rule so that we may able to solve the fast calculation of these type of questions. So student, the video is long, so you must watch it till end. Now the question before you are of these type, where you can see both number are more than 100 or both number are less than 100. 105 and 106 you see both are more than 100. This is 105. 105 is 5 more than 100 and 106 is 6 more than 100. Now student, here you see the multiplication symbol between 5 and 6. So you will multiply just 5 to 6. 5 multiply 6, that is very easy. You may write 30, 30. So the half part of your answer is there, student. Now in for the other half part, what we will have to do, you have to mark a tick. You can mark a cross from 105 to plus 6. So it represent 105 plus 6. You can easily add this 105 plus 6, that is triple one. So the second part is your here answer. Now this complete the answer. 11,130 is the answer when you multiply 105 to 106. So student, you can see I am going to verify this question with the traditional multiplication method. So you may see that 105 multiply 106, that is 30, 630, 000 and 105. So on adding, I will check my answer is tally with the given shortcut or not. Yes, you may see that I got triple one three zero. The answer is same, student. Now you can see that if I apply the traditional method and apply the shortcut method, in the both the cases the answer is same. That's why now you have to decide which method for these type of questions you have to adopt, student. Okay. Let us move to the next question, where 106 and 108 both are more than 100. One is 6 more than 100 and other one is 8 more than 100. So what you do, you will multiply 6 with 8. 6 multiply 8, that is 48. So the half part is done. Now you will have to mark a cross. There is no traditional or the no fact rule that you have to mark cross to which direction. You can mark the cross to the opposite direction. So 108 plus 16, that is 114. This is the second part. These two parts make the answer of the multiplication of 106 with 108. Now if you go on checking this question, I am going to verify this. Now you can see in the main course of multiplication what I am going to get now. So you can see the answer is same, student, as the shortcut gives us. Now you see that which method we should adopt to save our time during the exam. and we will find the same answer without the any long calculation. Just a single multiplication and addition, we can find that. Now in this case, both the number are less than 100. So how much? 98 is minus 2, 2 less than, and 96 is 4 less than. So 2 multiply 4, that is 8. The method is same, student. So 8, but I will write 08. So again I will mark cross 98 minus 4. What is 98 minus 4? That is 94. Student, in the earlier question there was adding symbol, so I was adding, but here the subtraction symbol, that's why I am subtracting. Now I am going to verify the traditional multiplication, so you can get the confidence of the method that you will get the same answer if you apply this correctly. Now you can see the answers are coming 9408, right? Okay, so we have verified in the three questions the answers with the shortcut and the traditional methods are same. Now student, the answers are same. With this yellow arrow you can see clearly both the answers are equal. Now if we go on the next case where the one number is less than 100 and one number is more than 100, what will be the method for these case? The method is up to 95% same, but only one thing you have to keep in mind that will save your time and give you the accurate answer. 93 is 7 less than 100 and 106 is 6 more than 100. Now one is less and one is more. Now minus 7 multiply 6, that is minus 42. But student, you know we will not write minus 42 in the answer. Always we have written the positive answer. So we will subtract this 42 from 100. Okay. Now subtracting 142 from 100, we will get the answer 68. So these two digit number, sorry, 58. Yes, 58, and this 58 is the half part of your answer, students. Now Now there may be a question in your mind that why we don't write direct minus 42 instead of 58. Student, as you know, we can't write minus in the answer. So I have to subtract 48 from 100. Now, so that I get 58. Again, we adopt the method of the crossing. Now, 93 plus 6, that is 99. But I will subtract in this case 1 from 99. The answer is 98. Now, there will be a confusion in your mind that what I am doing. In the other question, where both the two terms were more than 100 or less than 100, there I was not subtracting 1, and why I am subtracting 1 from these type where 1 is less and 1 is more. So student, this is the rule. Okay, you see I have subtract 48 from 100, so that I have taken one carry from this 93, so it become actually 92. So if I add 92 plus 6, then what will be the answer? 98. So in that way my answer is 98, students. Okay, now we will go for the next question to take the better understanding. Now you see 109 multiply 92. The first number is 9 more than 100 and the second number is 8 less than 100. One is more, one is less. So 9 multiply 8, that is minus 72. Now we will not write minus symbol, so I will subtract it from 100. After subtraction, what will I get? I will get 28. Okay, so this is the first part of my answer. Now I have to do crossing 109 minus 8. What is the answer? 101. But I know that I have to subtract 1 that I have taken carry. Okay, so the answer is 109 minus 8, that is 101. Again, I will subtract 1. So the answer is 100. So in this way, we can write the answer, students. Now, we are on the third part where the type is same. This is 8 more than 100 and this is 7 less than 100, student. Now 8 multiply 7, that is minus 56. Now minus 56 will be subtracted from 100. 8 multiply 7 minus 56, you will subtract it from 100. So 4 and 4. Now 44 is the half part of your answer. And now 108 minus 7, that is 101. But you will subtract one more. See, 107 minus 7, that is 101. And you will subtract one more from this 101, that is the final is 100. This is the other part of your answer, student. So in this way we have got the answer, students. Now the portion in the yellow line is the rough work and is the full detail of this type. So student, don't be puzzled, just understand and watch the video carefully till end so that you come to know this approach and use in your calculations regular basis so that your calculation speed and the accuracy may be better by day. Okay, students. So if you like this video, then please subscribe our channel Think Math Think Different Jara Hatke to get the new videos of these type. Now these type of question we can solve in mind, or we can say we can mentally solve these type of questions. So thanks to all of you for watching this video and giving your time. So don't forget to subscribe before closing the video.